Hello children, exciting morning to all. Welcome to our today's English class. I want all of you to be ready with your notebook, book, pencil, eraser, etc. If you are ready, let's get started our today's class. In our last class, we learned the word wall from page number 74. About, better, better, better. Bring, bring, bring. Carry, carry, carry. Clean, clean, clean. Clean. Hut, hut. Done, done. Draw, draw. Drink, drink. Fall, fall. Full, full. I hope you all complete writing these words in your note. Let us move to the next. Then we saw the sound pattern oo, o. These two letters o, o. These two letter sounds come together to make the sound oo. Oo as in foot. Oo as in book. Oo as in hook. And then also read the words for these sound patterns oo. B, oo, k. B, oo, k. Book. First we have to find the beginning sound and then say the middle digraph sound and then end sound. What is the middle digraph sound of this word? Oo. So the beginning sound of this word is f. Foot. 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 V. Wood. 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 Hook. 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 Rook. Rook. Stood. Stood. Good. Good. Cook. Look. Nook. Wool. Shook. Like this you have to read the words by blending technique. We already learnt about the blending technique. So when you read any word means you just use the blending technique. First you have to find the beginning sound and then digraph sound. Middle in this words the middle digraph sound is oo, and then finally find the end sound and then join all the sounds together and read the word. Okay, just try to read the words by blending technique. Next we are going to see the words for the oo digraph sound patterns. Book. In your note you have to write all these words in this given word wall. Write 2 times in your note. Book. Foot. Foot. Wood. Wood. Hook. Hook. Rook. Good. Good. Cook. Look. Nook. Wool. Stood. Shook. Broom. Crook. Brook. Okay, like this you have to say and write the blending words with the help of blending technique. Okay, next look at this. Read it to your friend. Here the sentences are given with this digraph sound pattern oo. Just you have to read the sentence to your friends. You just try to read this sentence as your own, Kana. This is my book. This is my book. I make toys with wood. I make toys with wood. My dad likes to cook. My dad likes to cook. I shook. I shook his hand. Shook is the past tense of shake. Yes. கையை குலுக்குறோன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, இப்போ குலுக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் ஷேக். இதை முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிட்டோம். This action has been already done means the word is shook. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Now I am going to done a model. Just listen to me. What picture is this? Wood. So the beginning and the end sound of given here. What is the middle digraph sound? Yes, oo. So o o wood. Look at the next picture. What picture is this? Rook. The name of this picture is rook. For this, r is the beginning sound and then k is the end sound. What is the middle digraph pattern? Ooh, rook. So ooh. For this we have to write the digraph pattern sound o ooh. Ooh as in rook. Next one, broom. Br is the beginning sound, is the end sound. What is the middle digraph pattern? Ooh. Yes, brew. Write it with the oo sound. Next one, brook. Brook means ஓடை. தமிழில் ஓடைன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா. So brook. And what you have to fill in this blank? Ooh. So here also the sound pattern is oo. Broom, brook. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this. Let us see the next. See page number 77. Look at this boy. He asked, "May I come in, madam? May I come in, madam?" He asked permission to let him inside. Okay. Next one. "Can I use your book? Can I use your book?" She asked permission to use her book. Use this book. So, may I come in, madam? Can I use book? From these two sentences, what you understand, Dakana? Both of them ask permissions. Right? This boy asked permission to come inside. And this girl asked permission to use the book. So these two words, may and can, is used to, yes, probably used to ask permissions. Okay. We should always ask permission before doing anything. Yes, if we want to do anything means we just ask permission for others, from others. Yes, if you want to go outside means we just ask permission to your mother, right? And then when we want to use your sister's pen means what we have to do? Yes, probably we ask permission from our sister. So if we want to do anything means we must ask the permission from others. We can use, for that permission we can use may I, can I. Okay, to ask permission. What are the words we can use for permission? May I, can I. Repeat once again. May I, can I. What are the two words that we have used for ask permission? May I, can I. Okay. Look at this, mom. Here are some words are given for you to practice the words may I and then can I. Shall we read this? May I go. நான் இப்போ போகலாமா? May I play. நான் விளையாடலாமா? May I sit. Very good. நான் உட்காரலாமா? May I tell. Yes, நான் சொல்லலாமா? May I take. நான் எடுக்கலாமா? Okay? Like this, we have to ask this may for the permissions and then also for possible. Okay, நம்மளால் அது முடியுங்கிறத யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் we can use mostly for this may and then may for asking permissions and also possible. Possible means அதை நம்ம செய்கிற அளவுக்கு அந்த இடத்துல அதை வந்து முடியும், சாத்தியம் இருக்குது அப்படின்றதுக்கு நம்ம மே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே. கேன். திஸ் கேன் இஸ் ஆல்சோ யூஸ்டு ஃபார் கண்டிப்பாக நம்மளால் செய்ய முடியும், என்னால் செய்ய முடியும், உறுதியாக நீங்கள் இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி பெர்மிஷன்ஸும் கேன் இஸ் ஆல்சோ யூஸ்டு ஃபார் போத் பெர்மிஷன் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ எபிலிட்டி. என்னால் முடியும்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ we can use this can for both ability and then permission. செய்ய முடியக்கூடிய காரியத்துக்கும் can யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதே வேளை same as it is for the permission. Okay. Can I ask? நான் என்ன போய் கேட்கலாமா? Can I ask? Can I read? நான் படிக்கலாமா? Can I write? நான் எழுதலாமா? Can I eat? Can I open? நான் அதை ஓப்பன் பண்ணலாமா? Okay, so this may is used for permission and also possible. Can is used for permission and also ability. Okay, ma? Yes. You just read, practice all these words with the help of this may I and then can I. Okay, look at the next one exercise. Arrange the words to make sentences. Say them to your friend. Here the words are given in the jumbled form. Jumbled form is a mixed. The words are given in the mixed form. So you have to arrange it in the correct sentence. Tell, may, I, a story. Which word will come first? May I. So may I tell a story. Very good. May I tell a story. நான் ஒரு ஸ்டோரி சொல்லலாமா? மே ஐ ஈட்டுன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா? மே ஐ கோன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ மே ஐ டெல் எ ஸ்டோரி. ஃபஸ்ட்டு we have to use this may and then I. May I. So these words are for us only. May I, can I. So may I tell சொல்லலாமா ஒரு ஸ்டோரி? May I tell a story. Next one, can. I sing song a can. Which one words will come first? Can. So can I பாடலாமா தானே கேட்போம். Can I sing? Very good. Can I sing a song? So you have to write, complete this blanks with the correct formation of the sentence. Okay. Okay, children, let's going to complete our today's session. What are the things that we have learned today? Yes, we read the sentence for the sound pattern oo, and then we learnt about may and also can. May I, can I. You just recap all these things that we have learned in our today's class. All of you take care. See you next class. Thank you. Bye, Kana. Okay, these homeworks. I forgot to tell you the homeworks. You just write the word walls for these oo sound pattern words. Have to write all these word walls in your notebook 3 times. Words in this word wall 3 times. Okay. Thank you, Kana. See you next class. Bye.